Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. Pests may come in different forms, but whether they're insects, diseases, or weeds, there are products out there available to help you in your fight against them. For roses and flowers, use a good general purpose insecticide like Bayer's Rose and Flower Insect Killer. This is a dual action insecticide that kills on contact and protects your plants for up to 30 days. For your fruit and vegetable gardens, you want to be very sure that you use only products that are labeled for edibles, like spinosad, that is completely safe to use on edibles and is even recommended for organic gardening. For those of you who prefer to use only organic products, there are things like insecticidal soap, horticulture oils like neem oil, and BT worm killer. These are only contact killers and do not have a long-lasting effect. So keep a close watch on flowers and vegetables for early signs of pests and treat whenever you see them present. For shrubs and trees that do not produce fruit, there are products that control insects for a much longer period. These products contain systemic insecticides that are absorbed into the system of the plant and kills the pest as they feed on it. Ortho Rose and Flower 2-in-1 will protect for up to 6 weeks, and Bayer Advanced Tree and Shrub Protect and Feed can last for up to 1 year. For nuisance pests like ants, earwigs, and roaches, use Bayer's Home Pest Control or Ortho Home Defense to spray both inside and outside your home. Other pests that many people ask about controlling here are rabbits and birds. There are many products on the market that are made to repel animals by producing an odor, taste, or sound that will discourage them. One example is Shake-Away critter repellent granules that can be effective for rabbits, squirrels, and other small critters. Another is Bird Begone flash tape to discourage birds. But for the most reliable protection, I recommend physical barriers like the bird block bird netting and the wire garden fencing. Weeds are another common pest this time of year. For rocked areas, driveways, or around taller shrubs and trees, use Roundup or Durazone to spray directly on the leaf surface of the weeds or grasses that you want to eliminate. For more information on this topic, get your free copies of our Star Notes number 700, 625, and 550 at any of our Star locations or at starnursery.com. And while you're there, check out this week's specials that include Bayer's Advanced Home Pest Control, a 1-gallon ready-to-use container for just $7.99. And remember, I make house calls. Call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. I'm Dr. Q, and I'll see you next week.